Mumbai has seen generations thrive and grow. In the heart of this vibrant city lies a tale of an unbreakable bond of Arjun and his beloved grandfather, Mr. Deshmukh. Their story took an unexpected turn when Mr. Deshmukh's heart, once vibrant with life, fell under the grip of a heart attack. It was a difficult journey, but amidst the uncertainty, they found hope in a place that became their sanctuary once again, S.L. Raheja Hospital. Mr. Deshmukh has trusted S.L. Raheja for 4 decades for his diabetes, and now Arjun has put his trust in the same place. A team of extraordinary doctors stood ready to fight for Mr. Deshmukh's life to preserve their trust of decades. Today, as they embrace a new chapter, the young man finds his grandfather with the same strength and energy he has seen growing up.
I win again.
Yeah. So what? You're still 42 years older than me, Nandu.
You mean 42 years younger?
Here, resilience intertwines with the youthful spirit and relentless pursuit of excellence. S.L. Raheja Hospital, a Fortis associate. We are 42 years young.